Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Realme C33, and in this video I would like to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So before we'll launch settings, enter the display category and expand the available values for the screen timeout. We'll see that the highest we can go by the default means of the system is 30 minutes. Thus, if you still want to set this value to never, you have to use the help of a free third-party app that is called Caffeine. So launch the Play Store, enter the Caffeine query over here, open the app page, then install the app. Then all that it's left to do is to launch it and make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set. And as long as you do not close the Caffeine app so it stays active in the background, your screen will not automatically turn off at all already. So that would be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.